Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Firefox Error Code 1k-0000. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to play videos on HBO Max or similar platforms using Firefox. Players mentioned that they can sign in and browse titles, but when they try to play a video, the error appears and playback fails. According to our research, this error is most likely related to Firefox browser issues, DRM settings, or conflicting browser extensions. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to close and restart Firefox. Also, check if Firefox needs an update, and if so, update it to the latest version. Then check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then restart your device. Once restarted, open Firefox again and check for the error. If the error still persists, then adjust the DRM settings in Firefox. Simply go to the settings and set media.m.mfcdm.origin filter enabled to 1 and check if this helps with the error. If the error still continues, then try disabling your browser extensions one by one and each time check if the error still comes. Some users shared that the error didn't appear in private browsing, which suggests an extension conflict. So try disabling browser extensions and see if this helps. At last, if nothing helps, then try creating a new Firefox profile without any extensions. Then launch the browser with this new profile and check if this resolves the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.